Hello everyone, welcome to my shed. Hey, I've been traveling for years, cruise ships, Southeast Asia, you name it, and I've made some really dumb mistakes along the way. Today I'm sharing 5 travel mistakes that cost me time, money, and made me question my sanity. And stick around because I'm going to be traveling again in real time very soon. So if you're into travel tip stories or behind the scenes, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing. The classic overpacking like I'm prepping for an apocalypse. In 2022, I flew to Bangkok with 2 suitcases and a duffel. What did I wear? The same 3 shirts over and over again. The rest, dead weight. I even paid $60 for overweight baggage. Like, what? Now I pack with compression cubes. These things force you to be honest with yourself. I'll link my go-to set below. I once booked a last-minute trip to Vietnam without checking the visa rules. I got all the way to the gate and they wouldn't let me board. I had to cancel the flight and pay a fee to rebook 3 days later. Now I use Sherpa Travel or just Google the country's visa entry rules a week before booking. Don't assume just because you're an American you'll get in everywhere. Ask me how I know. I once flew from Manila to LA for $280. Sounds amazing, right? Until you realize that didn't include baggage, food, seat selection, or your sanity. I sat middle row for 14 hours with no charger and no water. Now I use Skyscanner to find the flight, then book direct through the airline. It's usually the same price and you won't get hit with mysterious fees. I used to roll the dice. What could go wrong? Until I ended up with a stomach bug in the Philippines and had to see a doctor. No coverage, $187 out of my pocket. That's 2 nights of hotel gone. Now I get coverage through Safety Wing, or if I'm in a rush, my Chase Sapphire card has solid travel insurance built in. Trust me, it's worth it. Search those travel insurance plans. I used to bring so many what-if items. Flashlight, full-size umbrella, portable water filter. I wasn't trekking Everest, I was in Chiang Mai. Now I stick to my must-haves. Folding travel backpack, USB-C power bank, universal adapter with 4 ports, that's it. These are 5 mistakes I've made, some of them more than once. But hey, travel is about learning, am I right? Let me know your biggest travel fail in the comments. I want to make a mistakes part 2 with your stories. And if you want to see the exact products I use, I'll leave everything linked below. Soon I'll be filming real-time travel content, so if you like this style of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications because we're just getting started. See you in the next shed.